everyone, welcome to this video where we are given this cone. And the cone has a radius of 7 cm, height 24. Okay, find the volume, which is pretty straightforward, isn't it? Let's focus on this part A first, okay? And so the volume is simply 1/3 times the base area, in this case pi r square, and the r is 7 square, and the height 24. Okay, this will give me a value of 1231.50432. Final answer to be given in 3 significant figures. So that is for part A. Now for part B, find the curved surface area and the total surface area. So for part B, the curved surface area would require this length, which will be the slanted height. Yeah? And so, before I do the curved surface area, I should first find what is my slanted height L. So in this case, please use your Pythagoras theorem and you will be able to get that L is equals to the square root of 24 square plus 7 square. Okay, 24 and 7. This will give me a value of 25. And from here, the curved surface area that is required will therefore be pi. Radius is 7. Slanted height is 25. Okay. $549.7787 Final answer to be given in 3 significant figures. 550 cm square. Total surface area would then require us to include the circle. Yeah, the circle is pi r square here. And therefore, the total surface area will be equals to pi r square and pi rl, which we already gotten here. Do take note that Mr. Tan here do not use the 3 significant figure value. Rather, I use the 549.778714. This is to ensure accuracy. Okay. Final answer 704 cm square. 3 significant figures. With that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.